Okay, let's get ready for cleaning. Tons of grease. What we're going to do, I have here a little strainer. I'll show you what that's for in a second. First, we're going to leave the motors off the side. We'll deal with those in a little bit. Let's take the coupler pockets out. We're not going to use them. Let's just pull them out, just like that. And I'm not going to take out the wipers yet. I'm going to go ahead and clean these. Okay, these are big enough they won't fall through the bottom of the cleaner. So now what I'm going to do, these screws and things, I'm not cleaning those. I can, but I don't need to. So I don't lose stuff, I'm going to take the gears, which are obvious which ones go to which. These brass ones go to the ones with the brass axles. Drop them in the strainer. Take these plastic ones, drop them in the strainer. All of these metal covers in the strainer. Now, before I put the wheel sets in there, I'm going to go ahead and take my X-Acto knife and get these old traction tires off, since I have new ones and I'm going to be putting new ones on them. Let's see if we can, on this one, if I can just cut this, I'll be able to just peel it off. This is a, when these, you can still buy these new. This one happens to be one of those clear ones. And I did see those in a hobby shop on a trip recently. So they're not rare. Alright. Toss that. There's one in the strainer. You don't have any. You don't have any. Yours is off. Yours needs to come off. Cut it. On eBay, they're only a couple bucks for a bag full of these. So I got plenty in storage. Here we go. Aha. This one gonna be a troublemaker? Yep. This one has literally turned to some crappy, it's almost like charcoal. Let's see if I can get you off here. Yeah, that one's on there good. It is petrified. Let's use our pick. This one has definitely been played with. The profile of the wheel is got a few dents and bends in it. No big deal. I ain't worried about that. I use Code 100 track for this reason, is because I love these old locomotives. Alright, let's get rid of that stuff. What do we got here? Alright, this guy needs help. Remember when I told you guys not to use this one with brass shaft? Well, here's an exception. You can use it on this part. Don't be cleaning your wheels with this, because it will rip the plating off them. Use that other one. But I just want to get it quick. I'm going to give the Ultr-Sonic a little help. Good. Just a little help. But you can definitely rip apart a wheel set with this one, and I told you guys never use it. Just a little help. Oh yeah, this one needs a little help. Unless you've done this a lot, I'm telling you now. Go ahead, don't believe me, see what happens. Your wheels will suddenly start turning brass. It means you have ripped the nickel plating off of them. Once you do that, it just gets worse from there. So all we're doing is giving a little help here. Okay. Got these parts. Let's go ahead and go on over to the Ultr-Sonic. Whoop. Almost done. That's why we have the basket. Keeps our parts in the basket when we drop something. Okay. So there's our parts. And we're going to head on over here to the Ultr-Sonic, which I have warming up. Got them at 53. In there, I've got, this is what I'm putting in there. It's the cheapest stuff I could find. This is really dirty. That's that stuff floating in there. That's the silver paint from stripping the paint. Alright, so I'm going to take the big one and take the other one, big one, and now these guys, I'm going to take those covers. There's a basket in here. Yeah, there's a basket. Okay, these guys, if they slip through, I'll find them. Should be one more. Yep. In you go. And then, you guys, I don't want these guys going down the drain in here. So, down you go in your little basket. That stuff's pretty dirty, but it'll still do the job. Okay. Here we up. Got her set to 53. The default is 50. I have to guess this is about hot tub temperature. Let's give her 16 minutes. And here we go.